भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
नमस्कार, बहुत स्वागत है आपका। भारतीय न्यूज देख रहे हैं आप। आपके साथ मैं हूं श्वेता अरोड़ा मल्होत्रा। तो आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही खास मेहमान मौजूद हैं। ऑनरेबल एम चूनी जी इस वक्त हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, जो कि प्रेसिडेंट है गोपीओ मॉरिशस के। आपको बता दें कि गोपीओ जो है वो ग्लोबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पीपल ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन एक संस्था है, जिसके प्रेसिडेंट हैं एम चूनी, जो इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। बहुत बहुत स्वागत करना चाहेंगे भारतीय न्यूज पर एम चूनी जी आपका।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
और आपको मैं अपने दर्शकों को बता दूं कि एम चूनी इज फ्रॉम मॉरिशस एंड देयर पेरेंट्स आर फ्रॉम बंगाल सर। यस, सो देयर इज अ कनेक्शन बिटवीन एम चूनी जी एंड इंडिया। तो सर, ये इंडिया के साथ जो कनेक्शन आपका बनता है, किस तरह से आप इसको फील करते हैं? एंड इंडियन ओरिजिन का जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आप कर रहे हैं, तो हाउ द एक्सपीरियंस ऑल अबाउट?
It's a fantastic experience.
Yeah.
Fantastic in the sense that we try to अपनापन महसूस होता है when we join in with the Indian with people in India and the Indian diaspora. What is important is the Indian diaspora today is more than 35.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, वी कैन टेक, दोबारा लेते हैं। हाँ ठीक है, नहीं कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा लेते हैं, वो सही हो जाएगा।
शुरू में
हाँ बिल्कुल
भी था।
Yes,
Please
हाँ।
ask me the question again. Sorry.
नमस्कार, बहुत स्वागत है आपका। भारतीय न्यूज देख रहे हैं आप। आपके साथ मैं हूं श्वेता अरोड़ा मल्होत्रा, और इस वक्त हमारे साथ भारतीय न्यूज पर बहुत ही खास मेहमान मौजूद हैं। ऑनरेबल एम चूनी जी इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, जो कि प्रेसिडेंट है गोपीओ मॉरिशस की। आपको बता दें कि गोपीओ ग्लोबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पीपल ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन जो हेड करते हैं एम चूनी जी। और आपको बता दें कि इंडियन ओरिजिन के साथ जो इनका जुड़ाव है वो बेहतरीन है, क्योंकि एम चूनी जी इज फ्रॉम मॉरिशस एंड पेरेंट्स आर फ्रॉम बंगाल। और ये जो इंडिया के साथ में जो कनेक्शन है उसे बहुत इंजॉय करते हैं। सो हाउ वाज एक्सपीरियंस सर, इंडियन ओरिजिन को लीड करना, एंड इंडियन ओरिजिन किस तरह से मॉरिशस में अपनी धाक जमा रहा है?
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm really honored to serve the Indian community
जी
in India and outside India.
बिल्कुल।
Outside India, we have about 35 million.
ओह वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट।
35 million means 3.5 crores. if I'm
बिल्कुल
right.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
So 35 million people of Indian origin, people who left India to go outside India, abroad.
जी
तो उनमें से एक परसेंटेज है, about 50% or more, who left the days when my great grandfather left.
Yeah.
They were not jet flyers. They were people, poor people, very desperate to some extent, poor, and they were fooled. They were ditched. उनसे झूठ बोल करके
ओके
उनको यहाँ से they took them from here to Mauritius. So they started from Calcutta,
ओके
and Calcutta was the main capital of this part of India, and they were taken, like in the case of my great grandfather, in 1870. So he was taken to Mauritius along with so many others. They were taken in small ships, sailing ships samay, because we did not have steamships, we do not have engines in the ships, we do not have cruise ships, nothing. Very poor people, झूठ बोल करके उनको मॉरिशस ले जाया गया.
ओके
And they told those people, poor people, that let's go. There in that country, when you lift stones, you will find gold.
Oh.
And yeah, you'll find gold. Temptation tha. So all that was said,
Okay.
and those people went, and they signed, before going, they signed a contract. The contract, which we call an agreement, it is, agreement was converted to agreement, and agreement to girmit, and girmit to girmitias.
Oh.
Those who had signed, they had signed with a thumb. They were illiterate, they were not educated and all. The thumb sign signature करके उन लोगों को ले जाया गया. And when they went there, to their surprise, no gold. They worked just like the slaves had worked.
ओह
They suffered a lot. They got a lot of issues and problems. Human rights were not respected. They were dictators, those people, and they made our people work for 12 hours a day.
Yeah.
And when they were working for 12 hours a day, just imagine how tired would they be, how difficult would it be for them to live. And they had a very, very tough, very difficult, very harsh time in the country. But yet, when they finished serving for 5 years, instead of getting back there to their homeland here in India, because the contract was for 5 years, they were not given the opportunity to come because salary was only 5 rupees per month. So with 5 rupees per month, how will you survive? What will you save? So unluckily, they could not come back to India. But luckily they stayed, because had they not stayed, I would not have been here.
Yeah.
Right? So we
So
have...
I just want to know about Gopio also, sir. How it works and how, you know, intercultural activities are going on under this scheme.
Yeah, the Gopio,
Yeah.
Global Organization of People of Indian Origin.
Ji.
We have one Gopio International. I am
Okay.
the chairman of that Gopio.
Yes.
Now, what do we do exactly? We have chapters around the world, in
Yeah.
almost all the countries of the world,
Okay.
where we have people from the Indian diaspora, whether they are NRIs, whether they are descendants of indentured laborers, whether the people from the working in the Gulf countries, everywhere we have Gopio chapters. So what do we do exactly? We simply help service everybody of the Indian diaspora who has any problem whatsoever. It can be educational, it can be financial, it can be any problem. Human rights in some Gulf countries, it is said,
Oh.
people do not respect what should be respected by the law. So all these things, matters come to us and we try to solve. Among the diaspora, we also have French-speaking
Oh, that's
Indian
great.
origin diaspora. So like in Paris, we have some friends. We have those who are in Guadeloupe and Martinique. And then there is a neighboring island to Mauritius, Réunion Island. There, these people speak French. And you know what happened? In their case, it was the worst. Worse in the sense that we people in Mauritius, our records are there. Records meaning जो गए थे पहले, उनके सारे documents है. Which year they went, which ship they went, how did they, what was their height, what was their, so many features.
So
they
it's
have.
all about your inclination towards art and culture. Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah, that is another chapter, you mean?
Yeah.
Art and culture I really enjoyed.
Yeah.
Because I have been there for almost 9 years.
Yeah.
And being there, it's as diverse as in India. Small country with different tendencies, but all together, we have learned how to stay together.
Oh, that's
right?
great.
So that is the greatness of Mauritius. Government helps a lot in different fields. Government helps in keeping languages alive, culture alive, traditions alive, festivals alive. We celebrate Diwali just like you celebrate.
Oh,
we celebrate
that's great.
Holi.
That's
And Diwali is a public holiday. Just imagine.
And I have seen that you are fond of Indian food also.
Oh my God! Well, we can't forget Indian
Indian
cuisine.
food, yeah, Indian
cuisine, Indian dress.
multi cuisine, you know.
Multi. We have a.
We have South Indian also, we have North Indian also, we have,
And in
multi
Mauritius,
and snacks.
It goes on.
Yeah.
Multiplies.
Multiplies.
And over and above that, we get tourists from Europe.
Yeah.
So we have the European cuisine as well. European cuisine, Chinese cuisine, Japanese cuisine, and the biggest one, of course, is Indian, veg and non-veg. People enjoy it like anything. And we have a traditional food there. We call it our street food.
Oh.
Its name is dal puri.
दाल पूरी ओके मॉरिशस में मिलता है
Wow, special, yeah. It is so thin.
ओके
So thin, it is the street food. वो दाल पूरी में थोड़ा beans का कोई ये लगा देते हैं curry and some chutney and some chilies. Those who enjoy chilies, and my goodness, you take 2 dal puris,
Yeah.
your stomach is full. So it's the street food in
So it's like
Mauritius.
bhel puri and
Yeah,
and
we have
lot
dal
of
bara.
yes.
That's also there. Everything you think of, now we get in Mauritius.
Oh, so
You'll be happy.
so when you are going to invite, so when you are going to invite me for for such multi cuisine and tasty food.
you can enjoy it. Don't worry about the weather.
Yeah.
You are asking me whether the
Yes.
weather is
Yes,
fine or
I-
which part of the year is fine.
Yeah.
No, it's fine to find a
Oh,
All the year round, we have a stable temperature which ranges between 17 to 30, 32. And in the central plateau, it's a hilly, it's an island.
Yeah.
So center में temperature कम होता है और coastal में थोड़ा ज़्यादा. लेकिन coastal में what you enjoy is the beautiful beaches that God has given us.
तो मॉरिशस में आप अपनी इंडियननेस को करते हैं एंजॉय
बहुत.
that you are I'm from Indian origin, my parents are from Indian origin, so you enjoyed that flavor.
we are proud of it.
Yeah.
कि अपनापन है उधर भी इधर भी अपने ही
great.
लोग हैं यहाँ
अपने
अपने
भी
ही
लोग।
लोग हैं वहाँ
हाँ।
भाषा का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है खाने का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ड्रेस का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है so many of our ladies my wife even uses churidar
Ah.
today only she was in churidar just to
There.
tell you
Okay.
and for the festivals and all weddings and all अरे सबसे बढ़िया
And you
साड़ी
are
यहाँ से ले
good in
जाते हैं।
Hindi also. You are
me
Hindi speaking.
I manage
You manage,
without
okay.
without some grammar but I still I call it काम
But
चलाओ
you-
हिंदी but
no,
I
no,
speak.
no. But you speak very well.
thank you. So
Speak
we
very well.
manage Hindi. Many people of my generation manage Hindi, but there is
Okay.
one more language that we manage very well.
That
That's
is?
called Bhojpuri.
भोजपुरी ओ सो प्लीज कुछ हो जाए भोजपुरी में
भोजपुरी में
फिर
तो क्या
थोड़ा
बोला?
सा कुछ तो बोला वे
क्या बोला? आओ उधर.
ओके
अपने लोग बा अपने हम सब तोहर स्वागत करब जा.
Oh.
आओ जा. आओ
सर
जा.
मॉरिशस की पॉपुलेशन बहुत बढ़ने वाली है क्योंकि जितने प्यार से आप इंडियन को बुला रहे हैं ना हम लोगों को बुला रहे
वहाँ
हैं
का
तो वहाँ की पॉपुलेशन
बढ़ना ही है.
एकदम बढ़ जाएगा
बढ़ना ही है. क्योंकि देखो अभी सिर्फ 12 लाख लोग हैं. ओनली
ओनली
इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बहुत ये करना है
हाँ।
लेकिन वंस वी हैव भारतीय हो तो यू आर वेलकम.
You are welcome. Oh, that's good. That's a great invitation. Thank you so much, M. चुनी जी हमसे जुड़ने के लिए, भारतीय न्यूज़ के साथ बात करने के लिए और दर्शकों को इनविटेशन जो आपने मॉरिशस का दे दिया उसके बारे में हम सोचेंगे, विचारेंगे और जरूर हम मॉरिशस आएंगे. एंड वी हैव द दाल पूरी.
Yes, we have Dalpuri. And next year most probably we'll be organizing a conference.
Yeah.
With
So,
Girmitias,
Okay.
with APICC,
Okay.
and everybody interested in promoting
Okay.
our relations.
ठीक है. Thank you so much. Thank you so much
My
joining us,
pleasure.
sir. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
okay,
Thank you.